Are you looking for the best outdoor pergola to transform your backyard into a stylish and comfortable outdoor living space? Choosing the right pergola can be challenging because some models lack durability, offer limited weather protection, or are difficult to assemble. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best outdoor pergolas that combine durability, elegant design, weather resistance, and excellent value for money. We'll compare their build quality, size, materials, ease of installation, and standout features to help you find the perfect fit for your patio, deck, or garden. Whether you're creating a relaxing retreat, an outdoor dining area, or the perfect space for entertaining guests, these pergolas are designed to enhance both comfort and style. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. So stay tuned and watch until the end to find the perfect outdoor pergola for your home. Number 1. FansaFurn 10 by 12 foot Louvered Pergola. The FansaFurn 10 by 12 foot Louvered Pergola is a premium outdoor structure designed to provide flexible shade, weather protection, and a modern look for patios, decks, backyards, and gardens. Featuring an adjustable louvered roof, heavy-duty aluminum and metal construction, built-in drainage system, and included curtains and netting, this pergola offers both functionality and style for year-round outdoor living. Its strongest feature is the dual adjustable louvered roof, allowing you to rotate the metal louvers from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. This lets you easily switch between full sunlight, partial shade, or complete rain protection depending on the weather. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, relaxing outdoors, or enjoying family gatherings, the adjustable roof provides excellent flexibility. The pergola is built with a powder-coated aluminum frame and iron roof, making it resistant to rust, UV rays, rain, and harsh weather. According to the manufacturer, the structure can withstand winds up to 72 miles per hour when properly anchored with expansion screws. A hidden integrated gutter system efficiently channels rainwater through the frame and down the support posts, preventing water from pooling on the roof and helping keep your patio dry. The included privacy curtains and insect netting make the pergola even more versatile by providing shade, privacy, and protection from mosquitoes during outdoor gatherings. Although installation requires some time since the pergola ships in 5 separate boxes, the instructions are designed to simplify assembly. Pros: adjustable louvered roof, 0 degrees to 90 degrees, durable powder-coated aluminum and metal construction, rust, UV, and weather-resistant, built-in hidden gutter drainage system, includes privacy curtains and mosquito netting, modern freestanding design, wind-resistant up to 72 miles per hour, properly anchored, ideal for patios, decks, gardens, and poolside areas. Spacious 10 by 12 foot coverage. Cons: assembly takes several hours and may require multiple people. Ships in 5 separate boxes that may arrive on different days. Heavy structure requires secure installation, premium price compared to basic pergolas. Final verdict: the FansaFurn 10 by 12 foot Louvered Pergola is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their outdoor living space with a stylish and durable pergola. Its adjustable roof, integrated drainage system, included curtains, and solid weather-resistant construction make it ideal for entertaining guests or relaxing outdoors throughout the year. Number 2. Purple Leaf Huge Louvered Pergola 13 by 25 feet. The Purple Leaf Huge Louvered Pergola 13 by 25 feet is a premium outdoor pergola designed for homeowners who want a spacious, stylish, and weather-resistant outdoor living area. With dual independently adjustable louvered roofs, integrated solar-powered LED lighting, hidden gutter drainage system, and a heavy-duty aluminum frame, this pergola is built for entertaining, relaxing, and year-round outdoor enjoyment. One of its standout features is the integrated LED strip lighting system, which comes pre-installed with no extra wiring required. The lighting offers 3 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures: warm, neutral, and cool white, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for evening dinners, backyard parties, or relaxing nights outdoors. The pergola also features dual power options, combining solar charging for everyday use with a USB backup charging option for cloudy or rainy days. The built-in control panel displays battery status and even includes a USB port for charging your phone while enjoying your outdoor space. Its dual adjustable aluminum louvered roofs rotate from 0 to 85 degrees, giving you complete control over sunlight, airflow, and rain protection. Since each section operates independently, you can create different shade zones, making it perfect for large families or entertaining guests. Built with extra-wide 4.53-inch powder-coated aluminum posts, the pergola offers exceptional durability and is designed to withstand winds up to 70 miles per hour while resisting rust, corrosion, and harmful UV rays. The hidden integrated gutter system channels rainwater through the support posts, preventing water from pooling on the roof and helping keep your patio furniture dry. With an impressive 325 square feet of coverage, the pergola comfortably accommodates 12 to 15 people, making it ideal for outdoor dining, BBQs, poolside gatherings, or large family events. Pros: massive 13 by 25 foot size covers 325 square feet, dual independently adjustable louvered roofs, integrated solar-powered LED lighting, 3 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures, USB backup charging and built-in USB device charging, heavy-duty powder-coated aluminum construction, wide 4.53-inch support posts for added stability, hidden integrated gutter drainage system, wind-resistant up to 70 miles per hour, rust, UV, and weather-resistant, perfect for large patios, decks, gardens, and pool areas. Cons: premium price compared to standard pergolas. Large size requires a spacious installation area. Assembly requires 2 to 4 adults and several hours. Solar charging performance depends on available sunlight. Final verdict: the Purple Leaf High Louvered Pergola 13 by 25 foot is an outstanding choice for homeowners seeking a luxurious outdoor living space. Its massive size, adjustable dual roof system, integrated solar LED lighting, hidden drainage, and durable aluminum construction make it one of the most feature-rich pergolas available. Although it requires a larger investment and more installation effort, it delivers exceptional comfort, versatility, and long-term durability for anyone looking to transform their backyard into a premium outdoor retreat. Number 3. Goatland 10 by 12 foot lean-to gazebo. The Goatland 10 by 12 foot lean-to gazebo is a versatile outdoor shelter designed for homeowners who want a stylish, space-saving solution for patios, decks, and backyards. Featuring a wall-mounted lean-to design, galvanized steel roof, mosquito net, privacy sunshade curtains, and sturdy metal frame, the gazebo provides year-round protection from sun, light rain, and insects while creating a comfortable outdoor living area. Its sloped roof design not only gives the gazebo a modern appearance, but also improves rainwater drainage and helps prevent water from building up. The lean-to construction attaches securely to your home's exterior wall, maximizing usable outdoor space while creating a seamless extension of your patio or deck. One of the biggest highlights is its 3-in-1 functionality. The included mosquito netting keeps bugs away during summer evenings, while the privacy sunshade curtains provide UV protection and extra shade without blocking airflow. This makes it ideal for outdoor dining, BBQs, relaxing, or entertaining guests. The gazebo is built with a reinforced 8.8 centimeter metal support structure and includes both ground anchors and wall mounting hardware for improved stability. According to the manufacturer, it's engineered to withstand everyday weather conditions and moderate winds up to Beaufort Scale 6. With approximately 120 square feet of covered space, the gazebo comfortably accommodates outdoor seating, dining furniture, or a grilling station while maintaining an open and airy feel. Pros: space-saving wall-mounted lean-to design, durable galvanized steel sloped roof, includes mosquito net and privacy curtains, excellent UV protection 99%, waterproof roof with efficient rain drainage, reinforced metal frame for improved durability, ground anchors and wall mounting hardware included. Modern design complements most homes, great for patios, decks, gardens, and backyard BBQs. Spacious 10 by 12 foot coverage. Cons: requires attachment to a wall for installation. Assembly takes several hours and multiple people. Not recommended for heavy snow loads, moderate wind resistance, but not intended for severe storms. Final verdict: The Goatland 10 by 12 foot lean-to gazebo is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to expand their outdoor living space without installing a freestanding structure. Its durable galvanized steel roof, reinforced frame, mosquito net, privacy curtains, and efficient rain drainage system make it practical and attractive additions to patios, decks, and gardens. While installation requires wall mounting and some assembly time, the overall build quality, weather protection, and attractive design make it a worthwhile investment for comfortable outdoor living.
Number 4. Gotland 10 foot by 12 foot lean-to gazebo. The Gotland 10 foot by 12 foot lean-to gazebo is a stylish and practical outdoor shelter designed for homeowners who want to extend their patio or deck with a durable, space-saving structure. Featuring a wall-mounted lean-to design, galvanized steel sloped roof, reinforced metal frame, mosquito netting, and privacy curtains, it provides reliable protection from the sun, light rain, and insects while creating a comfortable outdoor living space. One of its standout features is the sloped galvanized steel roof, which gives the gazebo a modern appearance while improving rainwater drainage and helping prevent water from collecting on top. Because it mounts directly to an exterior wall, it creates a seamless extension of your home and maximizes usable outdoor space. The 3-in-1 design makes this gazebo especially versatile. It includes zippered mosquito netting to keep insects away during warm evenings and privacy curtains that provide excellent shade and 99% UV protection while still allowing airflow. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, enjoying outdoor dining, relaxing with family, or entertaining guests, this gazebo creates a comfortable outdoor retreat. Built with a reinforced 8.8 cm metal frame, the Gotland gazebo is designed for long-term durability and everyday outdoor use. It includes both ground anchors and wall-mounting hardware for added stability. According to the manufacturer, it is engineered to withstand normal weather conditions and moderate winds up to Beaufort Scale 6. With 120 square feet of covered space, the gazebo easily accommodates outdoor dining sets, lounge furniture, or a grilling station while maintaining an open and spacious feel. Pros: heavy checkmark space-saving wall-mounted lean-to design. Heavy checkmark durable galvanized steel sloped roof. Heavy checkmark includes mosquito netting and privacy curtains. Heavy checkmark excellent 99% UV protection. Heavy checkmark waterproof roof with efficient drainage. Heavy checkmark reinforced metal frame for added stability. Heavy checkmark ground anchors and wall mounting hardware included. Heavy checkmark modern design complements most outdoor spaces. Heavy checkmark ideal for patios, decks, gardens, and backyard entertaining. Heavy checkmark spacious 10 foot by 12 foot coverage. Cons: must be attached to a wall for installation. Assembly requires multiple people and several hours. Not recommended for heavy snow accumulation. Moderate wind resistance but not intended for severe storms. Final verdict: the Gotland 10 foot by 12 foot lean-to gazebo is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to create a stylish, functional outdoor living area without installing a freestanding structure. Its durable galvanized steel roof, reinforced frame, mosquito netting, privacy curtains, and efficient drainage system make it well suited for patios, decks, and backyards. Although installation requires wall mounting and some assembly time, the overall build quality, weather protection, and attractive design make it a worthwhile investment for comfortable outdoor living. Number 5. MELLCOM 10 feet by 12 feet Louvered Pergola. The MELLCOM 10 feet by 12 feet Louvered Pergola is a premium outdoor shelter designed for homeowners who want a durable, stylish, and versatile addition to their patio, deck, or backyard. Featuring dual independently adjustable louvered roofs, a rust-resistant steel and aluminum frame, integrated drainage system, and included waterproof curtains and mosquito netting, this pergola delivers year-round comfort and reliable weather protection. One of its standout features is the dual independently adjustable louvered roof system. Each section can be opened or closed separately using smooth crank handles, allowing you to customize sunlight, airflow, and shade throughout the day. Rotate the louvers from fully open to fully closed in seconds, giving you the flexibility to enjoy open skies, partial shade, or complete rain protection whenever needed. Built with a heavy-duty powder-coated steel and aluminum frame, the pergola offers outstanding durability and resistance to rust, fading, UV exposure, and harsh weather conditions. Properly installed with the included expansion bolts, it is designed to withstand winds of up to 80 miles per hour, making it a dependable choice for long-term outdoor use. The integrated hidden drainage system efficiently channels rainwater through internal frame channels and down the support posts, preventing water from dripping into your seating area or collecting on the roof. This helps keep the space underneath dry and comfortable, even during heavy rain. For added comfort and privacy, the pergola includes removable waterproof curtains and mosquito netting. The curtains provide shade and privacy, while the netting keeps insects away without restricting airflow. Multiple securing straps help keep both the curtains and netting firmly in place, even on windy days. Covering approximately 120 square feet, this pergola provides plenty of space for outdoor dining sets, lounge furniture, or a grilling area, making it ideal for entertaining family and friends. Pros: heavy checkmark dual independently adjustable louvered roofs. Heavy checkmark heavy-duty powder-coated steel and aluminum frame. Heavy checkmark wind resistant up to 80 miles per hour. Heavy checkmark rust, UV, and weather-resistant construction. Heavy checkmark integrated hidden drainage system. Heavy checkmark includes waterproof privacy curtains and mosquito netting. Heavy checkmark smooth crank-operated roof adjustment. Heavy checkmark spacious 10-foot by 12-foot coverage. Heavy checkmark modern design complements patios, decks, and gardens. Heavy checkmark suitable for residential and commercial outdoor spaces. Cons: heavy structure requires secure installation. Assembly is easier with 2 to 4 people. Premium price compared to standard pergolas. Curtains may require removal during extreme weather conditions. Final verdict: the MELLCOM 10 feet by 12 feet louvered pergola is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor living space with a durable and feature-rich shelter. Its independently adjustable louvered roofs, hidden drainage system, strong all-weather construction, and included waterproof curtains and mosquito netting make it one of the most versatile pergolas in its class. Although installation requires some time and effort, the premium build quality, modern design, and year-round functionality make it a worthwhile addition to any patio, deck, or backyard.